Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about the 2024 planner, in which I'm going to give you all a complete look of the planner and will also show the freebies that you get. So this planner is an A5 size hardbound in which the inner pages are of 100 GSM and there are a total of 312 pages. The design is kept very simple and there are antique look book corners at the side. So the first page is a basic self-motivation page for 2024 along with the personal details like how the planner is going to be, how your year will be, or what is your mantra of the year. Then next we have the 2024 and 2025 calendar in a view, all of the months together just for an overview. Then next we have the vision board in which it's just simple 2 pages kept in which you all can add or write or stick photos of whatever you all think your vision of 2024 should be. Next, we have a 2023 year-end review in which there are favorite memories, biggest challenge, what I'm proud of, and what are you grateful for. And we have a letter before 2024 begins, so you can write anything on that. Next, we have the goals for 2024, which are divided into personal, spiritual, health, wellness, education, career, and others. And also, I've kept a space for steps to achieve it. Then, next, we have the current me versus future me, in which there are 2 grids in which you all can write the features you all have in of your current me and what you want in the future. And also, similarly, there's a to do and not to do list of things you want to do, so you all can just jot it down. Next, we have the bucket list in which there are a lot of things which you all want to do for 2024. And the second page is find your ikigai, in which you all can just answer the questions and know what is your purpose for life. Next, we have the accounts and passwords in which you all can just write down the website, your user ID and password. And along with that, we have a favorite quotes page in which you all can just jot down your favorite quotes for the year. Then we have a reading list and a movies or series watch list. You all can just jot down whatever you all have to watch and also rate it after you all have watched it. So it's just very simple. And then after this, we come to our monthly sections. So the first page, I've just kept a blank page and a January calendar page with the intro. So the first page in the monthly page is the events and appointments, which is an undated section where you all can just write the date and whatever you all want to write for the entire month. Next, you have the monthly goals, that is mini goals, mantra, affirmations and quotes. And next we have the hope, plans and dreams, what you plan to, what you hope to do and what you are dreaming for. It will just give a nice overview of what your month should be. Next, we have the daily gratitude page in which you'll just have to write about what you're grateful for every single day in just like one line, shortest and sweetest. Then next we have the self-development corner. In this, there is a question for every day which you'll have to answer for each day of the month and then eventually for the entire year. So there is one self-development question for every single day, and at the end there is a small journaling space left. So of like all of the questions that I have answered, if you'll have anything, you can write there. Then we have one-liners of the day. This is simply that you have to describe your entire day in just one line and write it down here. It can be anything that your day represents. Then we have a habit tracker and wheel of life and a budget tracker, which is just kept simple for the entire month. And wheel of the life is like you all can do it after the end of the month to know how your life was for the month. Then we have the online purchase tracker in which you just can keep a track of whatever you've purchased. And lastly, we have monthly reflections. So how and what your month was. Then last but not the least, we have the monthly specials in which your favorite memories you all can doodle or add pictures of it. Similarly, this goes for every month. It's just that the colors for every month are different. And all of the pages inside are the same with the same color pattern as the monthly page. And it just has, I've just kept it simple with the month name and the calendar for that. After the monthly sections, we have the lost and found, in which you have to write down about the things you've lost and things you've found in 2024. And lastly, you have to write a letter to yourself before 2024 ends. And lastly, we have the 2024 year end reflection pages in which you can write about the highlights, the achievements, the challenges, the lessons, the vision for next year, and changes you want to see in yourself. So, this is all about the planner. Next, then we come to the stickers. So, this is a six sheet sticker page, and all of these stickers are cut and they are properly themed according to the planner, so you all can easily use them in the planner. It has like a variety of stickers which can be used inside the planner. Then after the stickers we also have a set of notepad. This is a customized notepad which will be customized. We will give you all options for the front or for the inner pages. It has 40 sheets of this notepad pages which y'all can select out of the options that we have, and the front page will be customized. Also with this we have a pocket calendar for 2024 just for a handy just for handy purposes. So it just has all the 12-month calendars nicely put inside a small book which y'all can easily carry so that y'all do not forget the dates, or y'all can use it for whenever y'all need it. So guys, this was all about the 2024 planner. I hope you all liked it, and you all can visit my Instagram page for more details on this planner. And see you all. So till then, please like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you so much for watching.